Hello, once again, we are back. Now, this one, I think just has a dodgy charge port. I can see a bent pin in there. And stupidly, when I decided to put my ammeter in there, because I thought there wasn't a bent pin, it actually stopped this from working. I had to disconnect the charger from the socket and plug it back in again. So it is tripping the safety feature on the charger. So that's a good thing. So I'm hoping that's all it is with this one. Condition, yeah, it's missing its thumb sticky majiggies, whatever they're called. Has got a small crack down here. Other than that, it looks okay. Bit grubby. I'm sure it'll clean up nicely. Will it power on now? No, but what I can do is when I open it up, just hook up a charged battery to it and see what happens from there, innit? So once again, I'll get back to you once I get to the board level and we'll continue from there. Now we're down to the board level. Again, it looks like it's not been opened. Even the screws are nice and tight. It looks clean. This hasn't been ripped. The water indicator's not lit up. So I know this battery is charged. So I just plug that in there. This could be a bad idea because obviously the pins are shorted. But it's a risk I'm willing to take. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, there you go, see? So this is just going to be a charge port issue. Which is good. It's very dark. Turn that brightness up, there you go. Touchscreen, yep, touchscreen works. Nice. See if it connects to Wi-Fi. So the overall condition is pretty good. I've got some spare thumbsticks as well, so I can iPhone too. Somebody's connected to that. Hertz 1 IP. Does it connect? Yep, connects fine. I think this is absolutely fine. Very old firmware, 15.0.1. Okay, so I guess it's just a charge port issue. Let's get a new charge port on there and then test it. Temperature 440, airflow 8 out of 8. And here we go. Heating from bottom of the board. Now that's off. Let's add some leaded solder to this. Lovely. Check the other side. Yep, looks lovely on the other side. Yes, nice. All right. Oh, no. Add a bit of flux. Right, that's all solidified. Let's go under the microscope. That looks nice, doesn't it? Let's give it a quick little nudge. Yep.
Brilliant.
And what does it look like on the other side of the board? Looks good. A little bit of melting, but only a little bit, not too much. Don't think it's going to affect anything. Alright, here we go. Does it register? Yes, it does. There you go. And does it read on the other side? Yep, it does. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Ready? Where's my ammeter? There it is. And let's check it out. Got power. And we've got a display. There you go. Right, you can see it's booted up. It's on 2%. It's working. It's charging lovely. And if we turn it around, see if it charges the other way. Yep, it's charging. You can see 0.67 amps and 2% still charging. So this is another one fixed. I am going to go, like I said, replace these off camera. I've got 2 new analogs here, brand new ones. So I'm going to replace it, clean it all up, give it a deep clean because it's all grotty around the edges and whatnot. So I'm sure it'll come up quite nicely. But yeah, so if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.